Page 432, number 1. You're supposed to use the appropriate sum or difference identity to prove the double angle identity, Cosine 2u equals cosine squared u minus sine squared u. So we're going to start this by treating cosine 2u as cosine of u plus u. So with that, we can use our sum identity from the last section to solve this. So expanding this, we get cosine u times cosine u minus sine u times sine u. Now multiplying these two parts together, we're going to get cosine squared u minus sine squared u. So now we've proven in two short steps that cosine of 2u equals cosine squared u minus sine squared u.